So, let's solve this. Specific problem. So, 2x plus 3 plus the value of 5x plus 7. So, paano natin sasagutin? First, we will write it para, na way na maalay natin yung magkakaparas na term. Okay? So, ano yung sasabi natin magkaparas na term? Okay? So, this is x raised to 1. And this is x also raised to 1. So, meaning, they are the same. Okay? So, tatapat natin siya. Parang madali natin siya ipag. And, sumunod na term is x plus 7. Okay? Ay, 3 plus 7. So, plus 3 and plus 7. Okay. So, now, naka-align na siya. Pwede natin i-add 7x 3 plus 7. That is positive 10. So, this is our answer for problem number 1. So, what about this problem? So, 4a squared plus 2 plus the value of 3 squared plus 6. So, first, we write 4a squared plus 2. Okay? So, 3 squared is tatapat dito. And 6 will align on this. So, okay, 6 will go over 2. So, 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, copy A. Hindi natin siya ipag-plus since this is one term. Okay, ikakopy natin yung variable and exponent. Ang ipag-add lang natin is yung coefficient. Okay, so plus 8. So yeah, kakopy lang natin yung variable. So another example. We have 5x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus the value of okay, so agad right muna si first term. Okay, and i-align natin yung bawat term sa second. Okay, so 3x cubed o x cubed, so meaning dito siya tatapat. Okay, minus 7x or negative 7x squared. Okay, so this time pag may negative na siya, sasama na natin si negative, di ba? So negative 7x squared. X squared, meaning dito siya. Okay. Positive 2x. Meaning dito siya. Okay. How about si negative 6? Since wala siyang katapat. Okay. Ilalagay natin siya sa dulo. Because usually, kapag constant term, nasa dulo siya. Okay. Let's assume na ang kasunod ni 5x is plus 0. Because it's just the same. So, ilalagay natin, tatapat natin si 6 sa dulo. Okay, so we can divide, ihati natin para di tayo malito. Oh, my bad. Okay, so ganyan. So 5x cubed plus 3x cubed. Again, copy muna sa x cubed. Then plus 5 plus 3, that is 8. Okay, so copy si x squared. Then positive 2 plus negative 7. Okay, negative different sign, so magma-minus tayo. So 7 minus 2, that is 5. Since mas malaki si or nasa mas malaking number si negative sign, meaning negative si 5. If ang negative natin nasa 2, Okay, magiging positive siya. Okay, but since nasa malaking value, si negative sign, magiging negative yung answer natin. Okay, same here. Copy x. Different sign again, minus. So, 5 minus 3, that is 3. Since negative is nasa 5, which is mas malaki sa 2, magiging negative 2. Okay. And 0 plus negative 6. Okay. So 0 plus negative 6, if mag-add tayo ng number sa 0, yung number na yun is pares lang. So parang ganito. X plus 0 magiging x pa rin. So meaning, negative 6 plus 0 is negative 6 pa rin. So the answer is negative 6. Diba? Dali lang. Okay. So, if i-rewrite natin to, magiging 8x cube minus 5x squared minus 3x minus 6. So, this is our answer. Let's try another other. Before tayo mag-proceed sa subtraction. So what if we have this plus the value of 3x to the 4th power plus 4x cubed. Oops, di na kasya. So baba. So, first thing that we will do is sulat muna natin itong term na to. I mean, itong polynomial na yan. So, 2x to the 4th power minus 6x cubed. Okay. Plus x squared minus 5x plus 7. Okay. Plus the value of 3x to the 4th power. So this is 3x 4th power. 4x cube mapupunta dito. Minus 3x squared. Negative 3x squared mapunta dito. Positive 8x mapupunta dito. And constant term is nasa dulo. Add na natin. So, again, para di na malito, 30 na. Okay. So, copy x to the 4th power. 2 plus 3 is 5. Copy x cube. Negative 6 plus 4 is negative 2. Copy x squared. Then, so, if ganito ang lumabas, hindi siya 0. Okay? Because pag 0 to, meaning, this non-existent. So, automatic, it is from the book na kapag x squared lang nakalagay, or a variable lang, ang coefficient niya is 1. Okay? So, this is 1. So, 1 minus 3 plus negative 3. So, different sign, mag-minus tayo. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Since negative, nasa 3, magiging negative 2. Okay? So, again, dito ulit. Different sign, mag-minus. Okay, so copy x. 8 minus 5 is 3. Since mas malaki si 8, okay, and positive yung corresponding integer niya, magiging positive 3x na yan. Okay, different sign. So, negative 9 minus 7, 2. Mas malaki si 9, negative 2. So, if we rewrite natin, again, 5x to the 4th power minus 2x cubed minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 2. So, this is our answer. So, let's proceed sa subtraction of polynomials.